Today, we're walking through how to change a tire using a manual tire changer. Whether you're working in a home garage or a small shop, this simple setup can save you time and money. Let's get started. Step 1. Deflating the tire. First, remove the valve core to release all the air from the tire. Make sure it's completely deflated before moving on. This prevents pressure buildup and makes the next steps much easier. Step 2. Breaking the bead. Next, place the tire under the bead breaker arm. Position the shoe on the sidewall, just above the rim. Press down firmly until you hear the bead pop loose. Flip the tire over and repeat on the other side. Step 3. Securing the rim. Now mount the rim onto the center post of the tire changer. Tighten the locking cone so the rim stays secure. A solid hold here makes the entire process smoother. Step 4. Removing the tire. Using the tire bar, slide the tip under the top bead and rotate around the rim. The bead will lift up and over the edge. Once the top bead is free, repeat the motion to remove the bottom bead. The tire should now come off cleanly. Step 5. Preparing the new tire. Before installing the new tire, apply tire lube around both beads. This reduces friction and helps prevent damage during mounting. Step 6. Mounting the new tire. Set the new tire onto the rim. Push the bottom bead over by hand, then use the bar to walk the top bead into place. Use steady, controlled pressure. Let the tool do the work. Step 7. Seating the bead. Once the tire is mounted, remove it from the changer and attach your air chuck. Begin inflating slowly. Watch the sidewalls and listen for the beads to pop into place. That sound means the tire is locking onto the rim. Step 8. Final inflation and inspection. Reinstall the valve core and bring the tire up to the recommended pressure. Give the tire a full inspection, check both beads, look for even seating, and make sure everything is secure. And that's all there is to it. With a little practice, a manual tire changer becomes a powerful tool in your shop. If you found this helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and stick around for more hands-on tutorials.